1967 Camaro here at Unique Classic Cars. Little Restomod action going on this one. 5.3 liter V8 underneath that cowl induction hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, RS style headlight enclosures. Let's take a look at the front chrome bumper. Paint on this, kind of a deep wine color. Rich looking color in the car, no doubt about that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle, engine bay, interior, undersides, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Power brakes with disc at all 4 corners. 19-inch wheels in the rear, 18-inch in the front. A great looking stance. Tubular control arms up front. Paint shows well on it. You're going to have a few little spots where you may see a touch up here and there, but overall, nice looking car. Take any of your roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Black vinyl interior bucket seats. Seat belts intact. Aftermarket gauge cluster, tilt column. We'll get around to the driver's side, start this up, let you hear it run. Take a little closer look at the interior. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome's looking good on the rear bumper. Great sounding exhaust headers, aluminum radiator, electric puller fan, all underneath the hood also. Aftermarket stereo system in it that does work. And again, take your time looking through the pictures. Very close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. It's a Muncie 4-speed, by the way, that 5.3 liter is paired up with the 5.3 liter. Of course, you have the serpentine belt system. All right, take a little peeker at the interior here. Door panels. Nice shape, carpeting as well. As far as your seats, do not show a lot of wear, let alone any rips, tears, or holes, anything like that. And there'll be pictures of this interior from every angle. Here's your tilt column. See that aftermarket gauge cluster a little bit better. We'll check those out here in a second. 6x9s in the rear deck. I believe it was a Pioneer stereo system. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check it out. Look at the interior a little closer. All right, electric fuel pump, pressurized. There you can check out the gauge, oil pressure going up, tach working. That was a cold start, so I'd assume that temp gauge is going to come up. Volts, fuel. Looks like gauge cluster all works. Headlight doors open with the headlights coming on. This is actually a wiper switch. Wipers do work. One swipe. Whoop. Sony stereo system, sorry. State Pioneer Sony stereo system, and that does work. Had that on here a second ago. All right, make sure we're in neutral. Take a look at the rest of the dash. How that sounds. A little more modern engine underneath that hood. Slip around to the back, let you hear it run. And again, check out the underside pictures on our website if you want to check out the exhaust system, floor fans, that type of thing. All right, I'm going to end up popping this hood here. A little touch-up spot up here. Again, right here. A little bit of a blemish there, but overall, again, that paint does show well. Of course, the hood release is up underneath here, lever to pull, and we'll pop that hood. Let you check out the engine bay, but I'm going to need both hands to get that open. So give me a second, we'll get that open. Check out that engine bay, wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
First off, underside of the hood, again, cowl induction hood. Looks good. Nice looking engine bay. There it is. Fuel injected V8. See headers, power brakes, aluminum radiator, puller fan, serpentine belt system. Let's pull those lights a second. The lights do come on. Doors open. Aluminum heads. This will be a fun one to drive, no doubt about that. So we'll turn some heads. 1967 Restomod Chevrolet Camaro. Great looking stance. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.